A, A,
apple,
apple,
after,
after, A,
eh,
A, A, every, pen, A,
it,
E, E,
interest,
interest, busy, English,
Notice that some of these words don't have an I that makes that short I sound. Watch out for those words because English isn't always consistent, but that sound I is there.
E,
Ah,
A,
ah,
A,
October,
October,
water,
water,
ah,
A,
up,
A,
up,
A,
under,
under,
fun,
fun,
up. Let's go on to six long vowel sounds.
A, A,
Make,
make,
flavor,
flavor, A,
e,
E,
feet,
feed,
evening,
evening, E,
I,
I, I,
lie,
lie,
night,
night, I,
oh,
O,
oh,
O,
over,
over,
open,
open,
oh,
O,
you,
you, you, unique,
rescue,
rescue,
you,
you, flew,
ooh,
ooh, flew, blue, group, ooh,
Let's go on to 18 consonant sounds. Like we saw before with those short vowel sounds, sometimes the consonant sounds are not represented by the letter that you think. So just watch out for that different color over here so that you can see that the sound is represented by those letters.
b, b,
Bat,
bat,
bear,
bear,
bubbles,
bubbles, b, k, k,
care,
care,
kindness,
kindness, k, d, d,
add,
add,
different,
difference,
better.
better,
What's happening here with these two T's? They're changing to a D sound in American English. Often when there's a T
better,
surrounded by vowels,
better,
those T's will change to
d,
D's. Let's practice that one more time. Better,
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 better, better, better,
fan,
fan,
phone,
phone,
often,
often,
enough,
enough,
g,
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 get,
gut,
guest,
gust,
egg,
egg, g, ha,
hat,
hat,
happy,
happy,
who,
who, j,
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 jewelry,
jewelry,
giraffe,
giraffe,
edge,
age, j,
l,
l, l,
life,
life,
love,
love,
laughter.
laughter,
Sometimes you see that motto on some girly signs. Life, love, laughter.
mm, mm,
Map,
map,
summer,
summer, mm,
funny,
funny,
nose,
nose, no,
Listen to what happens when I hold my nose and try to say an N. Do you think it's possible? Why don't you try with me? It's almost impossible to say an N, so make sure that there's a slightly nasal sound. Your nose is important to say
mm, mm, p,
pig,
pig,
please,
please,
flip,
flip, p,
r,
r, r,
run,
run,
carrot,
carrot, r,
sun,
sun,
circle,
circle,
peace, horse,
curse, s, t, top,
watched.
watched,
What about the word sweater? There is a T, but like we talked about in American English, that T is going to change to a D, like the word better. Sweater.
sweater, 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 mm,
Vanessa.
Vanessa,
Five. Of.
five, of,
Woo.
woo,
Wet.
went,
quick,
quick,
why,
why,
ooh,
y, y,
yellow,
yellow,
yes,
yes,
yay,
yay, y, z, z,
zip,
zip,
scissors,
scissors, z, z,
Let's go on to 7 diagrams.
ch, ch,
Touch,
touch,
chin,
chin,
ship shape.
sh,
What
ship,
ship shape means? It means clean and tidy. My house is ship shaped.
sip,
Thin,
thin,
Thursday,
Thursday,
this,
this,
that,
that,
these,
these, those,
with,
with, when,
when.
wish, with.
Personally, I don't say this. This is not commonly used, but it's one of the 44 sounds. Sometimes some people will pronounce the W and the H when they say when, whip. This is quite uncommon, but I wanted to include this in case you hear it. Personally, I don't really recommend using it, but you might hear this.
Ing,
Make sure you use your nose.
ing, ing,
Sing.
sing, bring,
Going.
going, ing, ink,
Sink.
sink,
Blink.
blink,
Crank.
crank, crank,
Now let's go on to 3 R controlled vowels.
er,
Er,
bird,
turn,
turn, her, er, 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 her,
dark,
fur,
fork,
fork, pork,
And
or,
finally, let's go on to some special sounds and diphthongs. Oi,
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 boy,
boy,
toy.
toy,
Diphthong, which means it's a vowel that slides into another sound. Can we practice that with the word boy? See how
boy,
my lips are changing?
toy,
Boy.
boy,
Great. We can do that with boy.
oi,
Boy. Ow.
ow,
Ow.
ow,
Owl.
owl,
Ouch.
ouch,
Ow.
ouch, ooh, ooh,
Ooh.
ooh,
Ooh.
ooh,
Ah.
ah,
Ah.
ah,
Jaw.
jaw,
Hall.
hall,
Ah.
hall, j, j,
Television.
television.
How did you do? Did you exercise your pronunciation muscles? Now I have a question for you. I want to know in the